Good morning, 8th graders. Obviously, I'm not here today, so just wanted to create this video to make sure you know what you're doing for the day. So the two things you're going through, first is going to be watching a video called Prototype This, Boxing Robots, and it's about 40 minutes long. As you watch the video, there's a worksheet that you will complete. There's, I think, 10 questions that you will answer, and you will turn this in at the end of the video, and that'll be entered into the gradebook. After that, then, it's just having the rest of class to finish your mechanisms design notebook tasks 1, 2, and 3. And so that was doing those vocab definitions and real-life examples with notes for task number 2. And so if you are missing any of that, take time to get it done. I will be entering all of that into the gradebook at the end of the week since we're finishing up the mechanisms unit soon. So just double check that, and if you're completely done with task 1, 2, and 3 after you watch this as a class, then you're going to have some time to yourself. So take care of business today, and then when we come back next time, we'll continue finishing up the mechanisms, building, and conclusion questions.